I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas brown, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girly. So today's video is going to be a try on haul. I just got a package in from SHEIN, so we're going to try some cute clothes on together. As you guys know, I just had my baby about a month and a half ago, so I am postpartum and I need some clothes that fit. So SHEIN came in handy and we're going to take care of that today. I think the first time that I ordered from SHEIN was probably like 2019, 2020 time when we were all stuck at home and bored. I found them online through a bunch of like TikToks that I was seeing people do hauls. If you didn't know, if you've never shopped or checked out the website, they have clothing, home, beauty, sports accessories. They literally have everything on there. But I love how inclusive SHEIN is. They have clothing for all sizes, all ages, literally everybody. And they recently just dropped 13 new collections for spring and summertime that you guys have to check out. As you guys know, they are super affordable, but the clothing is still very good quality. It's easy and free to return most items if they don't work for you. Probably one of my favorite parts about their website as well is the customer reviews, because literally every item has so many reviews with pictures from real customers. So if you want to see what the item actually looks like on somebody, maybe even someone that's your body type, so you can, you know, get an idea of how it might fit on you, they make that possible. So much cute stuff. Let's get into what I got today. And of course, I do have a coupon code right here for you guys for 15% off. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get into these looks. So typically when I do these try on hauls, I'll just do one by one piece, but I'm gonna try to actually put everything into like individual outfits. So let's get started with outfit number one. So here's the first look, you guys. This is so freaking cute. Like, oh my gosh, so freaking cute. So underneath I have on the SHEIN Sexy ribbed knit tank top and a biker short set, and you guys, this is only $9, and that's without using my coupon code. Make sure you do. And then for my jacket, this is the SHEIN X Made in America letter graphic Colorblock crop jacket, and this is 30 bucks. I've always wanted one of these kinds of jackets, but I've never actually went and, you know, actually purchased one. But oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. I love all of the patchwork. I just think it is absolutely adorable, and as for like the quality, it feels really nice, and the set underneath is really comfortable. Definitely, you know, at first when I saw it online I was like, okay, that's probably just going to be kind of like an at-home loungewear set, but I think I could definitely like dress it up with a jacket and wear it out. I have the links to both items in the description. Wow, it actually like fits. This is the SHEIN Icon Solid Flap Pockets Buckle Belted Tube Bodycon dress. Wow, that was a mouthful. This particular dress has over 100 5-star reviews. People are in love with it, and I see why. It fits so nice. But y'all, I feel so confident in this dress. This will definitely get worn when I go to London this summer. Next up, we have another two-piece set, and this is the SHEIN EZwear Ruched bust tube top and skirt, and this is $12 for both pieces. As you can see, I have the high-waisted skirt. You could also definitely probably wear it low-waisted as well, and then we have the ruched tube top, super cute and comfortable as well, and for $12 you cannot beat this. The material is nice, like it is not see-through at all. So another successful find. Let's move on to the next outfit. The fact that I'm actually about to cry right now because my pants are gonna close is like really sad. I have been very insecure and very uncomfortable for the last 2 months, and the fact that I have not been able to get a pair of pants to close or to feel comfortable in, these pants are 20 bucks. All the way down to the ankle, girl. 20 bucks. They have them in black, gray, taupe, green, red, pink, brown, navy blue. I will be getting them in every single color. This is the SHEIN Icon Body Heat Map Print Tee. This is $4.99. Yeah. And then for the pants, these are the Street Vibes Drawstring Waist Wide Leg Parachute Cargo Jogger Pants. But everything will be in the description, so you don't have to type all that in. Yay, now I don't have to go shopping for vacation. I have everything now. Girl, and I got the instant abs, period. But girl, speaking about vacation, I also got a bag. This is the studded Decor duffel bag, double handle for sport and travel. This is $24. This is so freaking cute. So whenever I go for, you know, my my vacation. We are gonna have one like base, like home base, but we're gonna be traveling in and out of it, and I need, you know, just like a day bag for just, you know, a quick like 2 or 3 day trip type thing. Saw this on the website, and for 20 bucks you're really not going to find this anywhere else for good quality. It's just by like feeling the bag and looking at it, like it's not going to just fall apart, and that's what you would probably expect from something being only $20. But no, like, pretty good. And yes, it does come with a strap. I just haven't attached it yet. It's giving intergalactic. It's giving Space Warrior. This is the Shein Sexy Solid Ruched PU Bodycon dress. This is only $11. They have it in black, gold, a shiny kind of like grayish black color, and then this silver one. The dress fits amazing, very comfortable. I like that the inside has this like soft kind of material, so it's not this kind of material on the inside, so when you're slipping into it, it's very difficult, and I won't have to worry about getting all sweaty in it either. If you want to, of course, you can add some length to the dress, but me, I want to wear it short. Next up, we have a little romper situation. This is the Shein BAE crisscross backless unitard romper. Of course, I wouldn't wear this with a bright purple lacy bra. It's only $7.99. Fits super comfortable. Definitely gonna have to take this with me as well. Material feels very nice on the skin, so this could definitely be used for like, you know, just an everyday outfit. You could work out in this, anything. You throw a jean jacket over this, a bomber jacket, even that jacket that I had earlier. Let me see how that looks. Oh yeah, that's cute. This might have to be my most successful Shein haul. I am in love with every single piece I got. I mean, I've liked the stuff in the past, but like I am in love this time. Like, everything is just fitting so nice. Like I just feel super confident right now. So I'm super excited about these jeans. These are actually from the men's section. These are the men raw hem ripped jeans. I got these in a size small. These are 26 bucks. Let's go ahead and just put them all together. I'll throw them over this romper, and to be honest, we'll just keep this on for now because the next top that I'm going to try on will cover the romper. So let's try these on together. See how they fit. Oh, everything is just fitting so nice, and oh my gosh, so cute. Let's go ahead and try on a top. This is the Shein Icon Patched Hands Pattern Crop Top, and this top is only $5.99. If you watch my videos consistently, then you will recognize this shirt a little bit because I actually have it also from Shein, but it's in like a body heat kind of like pattern. So as you can see with this one, it's, you know, like the actual hands with like a pleather kind of material, but the other one is like a red, yellow, green, blue like heat print kind of like hand. So now we got 2 hand boob shirts. Material is nice and stretchy as well. This is the Shein Unity mock neck waffle knit tank top, and this runs $6.99. So as you can see, it's just a little tank top. It is a little longer, so definitely tucking it into the jeans. Then as you can see for the neck, it's definitely a little bit higher up, but not necessarily a turtleneck top. And this shirt, I kid you not, they have in like 10 different colors. Next up we have this top, and this is the Shein BAE zip front raw hem 2 top. As you can see, it does feature a really pretty zipper and some nice distress going along the entire top. Really cute. Love this like beige color. Matches literally everything, and definitely matches like the vibe of the jeans because, like, you know, the distress. Just a super cute top. Okay, you guys, so the last dress is in this little teeny tiny bag. I have always wanted to try one of these dresses ever since they went viral about a year ago. And I never actually tried them on because I have genuinely been terrified, and I think a lot of you know exactly what is in this bag right now without me even opening it, because what else is gonna fit in here that is also considered one size fits all? Here it is. This is it. That's it. I have to somehow squeeze all of this into here. This is what all the baddies be wearing, okay? Like, let's see. Hopefully I don't rip it. How do I? Hold on. Girl, what am I doing? Let me sit down. Oh, wow. Wow, y'all really be going out like this, huh? Wow. Wow. I'm gonna try this on without the stuff underneath. Hold on. Yeah, let me go ahead and put my clothes back on. So I know I just told you guys that that was the last outfit, but I forgot about this one. So this is a cute little two-piece. This is the SHEIN EZwear drop shoulder ribbed knit tee and biker shorts. This is a two-piece set and it is only $11. Something that I love about SHEIN, they will have some comfortable homeware, loungewear type clothing, and this is so soft. These are the last two items that I have to show you guys, so if you're interested in shopping anything that I showed you today, all the links will be in order in the description below, so all you have to do is just, like, in the order that I showed them in the video, that's how they'll be down there so you don't get confused. And make sure you use my code SFGNESSA so you get an additional 15% off, but remember, everything is already so affordable, so if you forget to use the coupon, we ain't even gonna be mad. But that's it for me today. I hope I showed you guys, you know, some cute items that you may want to pick up. That is the first time that I tried on, like, I can't even believe I put that purple thing on. So girl, if I could put myself out here like this, so can you. And SHEIN has so many amazing, beautiful pieces to help you feel beautiful and confident as well. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and I'll see you all in my next video in a couple days. Bye.